Hello everyone and welcome to episode 6 of the Nampa School District's Cafeteria Chronicles. I am so excited to be here at the world famous Iowa Elementary School. Not sure why I said world famous, but we're going to go with it, or maybe just make it world famous. Now, I am just down to one cameraman, that cameraman being myself today, so this is going to be an awesome experiment in different angles. We're going to start here, and I love this, what they're doing at Iowa. They start you with the salad bar. So kids, the first thing that they see is the good stuff. Get all that good stuff on the plate, hopefully fill it before they get to anything else. As for me, here I am just walking past everything. Just kidding. I'm gonna grab some broccoli. Let's see if I can make this happen without spilling in the applesauce. That would be tragic. Put that right there next to my little milk section. Let's get 2 of those bad boys right there. You know what? Let's also get some carrots. Love me some carrots. This is a beautiful display they have here. Oh no, I threw one into the cucumbers. That's a problem. Let's grab that one. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, I missed. Oh, come on. Get that. Yes. Okay. Got that too. All right. Now let's walk in and check out. Here's the Colleen and San Juana back there. Nice to see you both. Thanks for having me today.
Thanks for coming.
Of course. Here is the dairy section for those of you who can handle that. I'm going to skip over that, even though I love me some dairy. And so we've got some tacos today, huh?
Yeah, we do. And a sandwich.
And oh my gosh.
Your kid doesn't like a taco.
That's right. We got, as always, Crustables, which are always good. I assume, I don't actually know that. I've never had one, but I assume they're good. Ooh, I would love a taco. That looks great. So what's in this taco?
It's meat and cheese.
Okay, I like both of those. Thank you. Can I get a shot of corn, please? I'm sure that's what the kids say, a shot of corn. Awesome. Thank you very much. And you know what? Yeah, sure, maybe a couple green beans too, please. I'm going to go healthy mode, as I always should. Thank you. Yeah, you can put it right there. I'm replacing my milk with green beans. Awesome. Thank you both very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I have plated my food. I'm very excited to try this. Also trying out some wild camera angles going on today. I got one here, ready. Boom, look, it went right to that. Wasn't that fun? Okay, crazy stuff. So, as you can see, I've got an awesome looking taco, some broccoli. Oh my gosh, this is the healthiest plate I've ever got at during any episode of Cafeteria Chronicles. This is wild to me. It's also good for me. Vitamin everything right here. Let's dig in first. How about some green beans? I have not had green beans in quite a while. Don't tell my daughter that. I tell her I eat them all the time. First off, very warm. That's good. You want hot green beans, cold green beans, unless they're in a pasta salad, but cold green beans typically not good. These are pretty good. All right, good stuff. I feel healthier already. Time for a carrot. Why am I trying to use a fork right now? Let's not do that. Good crunch. I love me a good crunch. What does that mean? Only one carrot in and I suddenly don't need glasses. Nope, check that. I do. I can't see anything. Going after this broccoli now because why would I not go after broccoli? I put it on my plate, so let's try this. Looks like it's steamed potentially. Actually, I think this is raw broccoli. I think. Tastes like broccoli. Always something you want your broccoli to taste like. Broccoli. Unless you can make it taste like pizza. Now, corn. That's good corn. Who says that that's good corn? I do, that's who. You know, the beautiful thing about this, obviously, the USDA has very high standards for food that schools are able to put in cafeterias. And cafeterias are not, I've gone over this before, really allowed to use a lot of seasoning. But when you get the freshest stuff, like this corn tastes super fresh. It's cooked really well. It doesn't really need a lot of seasoning as I talk with broccoli coming out of my teeth. It's wild. I seriously could just eat corn all day. I don't know how many nutrients are in corn, but I could eat corn all day. I'd probably want something else, but I could do it. All right, let's get after this taco. As you can see, oh, there's some beef and cheese. What kind of cheese? We may never know. Does it matter? No. All right. It's very warm. I like that. Kids are going to like that. I'm going to fold this part over a little to get a little tortilla, more tortilla, I guess, in this bite. Look at that. See that? That's looking nice. Help me. Why am I making this talk? All right, let's eat. That's super good. I was just talking about the inability to season, I guess, many things, but this beef is seasoned fantastically. Well done there, Iowa. Yeah, that's really good. I'd come back to Iowa. I'd travel to the state of Iowa for one of these. Might take a while. That's beefy goodness. You know what? Maybe I can combine these. Let's try a little bit of corn on this. Corn on the taco, the old saying. That's good stuff. I don't know what that cheese is. It looked initially like queso, which, as we've gone over before, is Spanish for cheese, but it's not cheese. It's kind of cheese. I don't know what it is, but it's not. I don't know what it is, but it has a genuine cheese feel. What? A genuine cheese feel? Back to the green beans to make sure I maintain health. I'm going to attempt the biggest bite of green beans that Iowa Elementary has ever heard of. I have succeeded. Granted, I am an adult, and children are the ones who normally eat this with normal-sized bites. Paint me green with envy for these. I gotta look up what nutrients are in green beans because I've never been a huge green bean fan, but I've always eaten them because I want to get those green bean nutrients. Because why would we be eating these otherwise? Why am I continuing to hold my taco when I'm eating other things? Back to the carrots. Love that crunch. Once again, it's a miracle. That beta carotene, I only think that's in there because it has the word carrot in it. Oh, I think I feel my eyesight getting better once again. Nope, still can't see very well. Okay, back to the corn. Very corny. Or is that me? I've created a habit in my daily life where I'll eat like a salad or my vegetables first so I can save the good stuff for later. I've been doing that since I was a kid, and that's never ended. Luckily, I'm in an elementary school, so a bunch of kids are staring at me thinking, why is this weird grown-up eating food with a bunch of cameras pointed at him? I asked myself the same thing. Last bite of this historic taco. Not sure why it's historic. I'm going with it. Man, that is good. A couple of times ago, actually twice in Cafeteria Chronicles, I've had walking tacos. What I just had was a sitting or non-mobile taco, and it was great, just as good. Okay, I'm wrapping it up. That was good. Again, what I love here at Iowa is that the salad bar, the trays you pick up right next to the salad bar, so kids immediately have to go, here's all my vegetables, let's load up. Because if they want to come back for it, it's not as easy, I guess. So just load up on those good stuff, vegetables and fruits right away, then get to your main course. So that's an awesome thing to do. Well done, Iowa. Great tacos. Jeez, that's good. Iowa Elementary has been fantastic. A lot of great vegetables, healthy stuff, and I was fortunate enough, as you know, I was bragging over the taco, so taco me home. I want to talk about this to the whole office, which I will be doing shortly. So thank you, Iowa, and thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.